Hello, beautiful tribe. This is Emily Potter. I'm the director of the Lightworker Musicians Tribe, and so I have a huge welcome for all of the new people that have just joined us. I get this little secret excitement and thrill before I get on live with you because I know I'll be able to connect with you guys, and it feels so good every time when it goes 3, 2, 1, and then I'm ready to be on here. I'm just so happy to be with you. So I want to specifically talk to one of the new tribe members that we have. She just shared with us what her main fear is, and I felt like it was useful just to start talking about it again because this is something that a lot of our tribe members experience. Do you feel like you're not good enough as a musician? So I have also felt that way. So I want to share with you a little bit about that. So I'm a self-taught musician, as most of you are. And what that means is that no one gave me permission to be a musician. Clever. I then just had to pretend that I was confident. So as I've been building my music career, and this is something that a lot of you have probably experienced too, you're going forward and you might have the most beautiful professional photos ever online, and you're building your audience and you're out there promoting yourself, except for that what's happening is that inside you're limping and you have this huge hole in the foundation that you have created in your music career. And so you're terrified to be exposed for the fake that you are. You're totally faking it, and you're scared to create and be the actual truth that you know that you can be, the truth being your full confident self as a musician. And what I have found in the musical world is that more so it's really difficult and terrifying to perform in front of other musicians. That's why this group is really profound and really sacred space. Because if you actually have that hole inside of you, you don't want other musicians to find out. You can fake it for your other friends and your family and your fans who don't really know that you're not a true musician and you're not good enough. You can fake it and you feel like you are. But in front of other musicians, you're like, I can't really get away with much. And the truth is, none of that is the truth, except that you feel it is because you have this hole inside of you with the belief that you are not good enough, that you're not good enough as a musician. So the consequences of that is that you're not going to make it very far with that kind of foundation. Now, even if you do make it really far with that foundation, still have a hole. And so no matter what, you're going to always be externally looking for that praise from other people, from your audiences. And if you don't get it, it can send you down to major depression because you're always looking for other people to fill in that hole. So I have one question for you. Ask yourself this one question and really let yourself get into this question if you have this as your number one fear. How much longer can you sustain where you are? Let me explain that. How much longer do you want to build your music career with that hole in your foundation? There are billionaire musicians out there who still don't feel like they're good enough. No one's going to be able to give that to you. You have to give it to yourself, but how much longer do you want to suffer? How much longer do you want to go forward and not know that you're good enough? Because that's your choice. So I want to invite you to know that you actually can change that story starting immediately right now, taking action steps to actually fill in your own hole. Because doesn't matter how many fans you have, how many likes you have, how many people are buying your albums, how many gigs you have, you can still have this as your foundational hole that you will not be good enough no matter how many people are telling you. So my question again, how much longer can you sustain where you are? How uncomfortable are you? Is it just a little bit of a uncomfortability, or is it really going to make a difference for you to get into that hole and fill it up with truth and confidence and belief in yourself? If you're ready for that, if you're ready to fill in your hole, reach out to me. I will get you to the other side. I will give you the same results that I've given my clients. And that is an invitation for you to begin now, to act, to make that decision now, so that you have that amazing, incredible confidence, the confidence that you can start today, can actually start today. So I want to give that invitation for you to reach out to me. Let's get you there and create a really beautiful foundation right here and now in your musical career. And I look forward to talking to you guys. Lots of love to our new people, and have a wonderful afternoon.